Understanding strong design principles is essential in the world today. It's not just for graphic designers anymore. The world is becoming a place that needs better organization of information, typography, and photos to create a compelling narrative to motivate the viewer to do just about anything. This Graphic Design Foundations course was developed for anyone who is interested in understanding great design and how to practically apply it to real-world projects. The goal is to take what you learn from this course and start something new to propel your future career. I go over the basics of Canva. It's a cloud-based design tool that can help you hop right into design and layout in a matter of minutes. We will use Canva throughout this course as the design software of choice because of its ease of use. This class will conquer the world of typography and fonts. We will learn font types, pairing, styles, and how to use typography in layout and design. We will even create a poster using only the power of typography. Next, we will dive into the powerful and emotional world of photography and design. What is good photography and how do we incorporate this into our designs? How do we use filter and effects to add more emotional impact to the design? And lastly, we will create a book cover using photos as our main attraction. When talking about solid design principles, color will be one of the most powerful tools we can use. We will learn basic color theory, how to set the tone with color usage, finding the right color palette, creating mood boards to source our color choices, and finally, we will create a logo and apply our chosen color palette. What brings all these elements together is a fantastic and balanced layout and blocking. We will review basic layout principles and start to apply everything we've learned in the class to practical projects, including creating a social media graphic, a flyer, and finally, a full front and back trifold brochure. In the end of this class, you will be tasked to tackle several projects that will be the beginning of your portfolio that will show off great solid design principles that can help you land your next big opportunity.